In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine PDF files into one and merge them using Adobe Acrobat. This is a straightforward process that will help you organize your documents efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. If you haven't installed this software yet, you might need to download it from Adobe's official website and ensure it's properly set up. Once you have it open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already acquainted. Now that you're in Acrobat, look towards the top of the screen and click on the Tools tab. Here, you'll find a range of features, but today we're focusing on Combine Files. Click on Combine Files, and this will open a new window specifically for merging your documents. In the Combine Files window, you'll see an option to Add Files. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt a File Explorer window to appear where you can browse your computer for the PDF files you wish to merge. You also have the flexibility of selecting other file types such as Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, or even images if those are your preferences. If it's easier for you, you can simply drag and drop your files directly into the Combine Files window. Once your files are added, you might want to take a moment to arrange them in the order you prefer. You can easily click and drag each file thumbnail to reorder them. If any of your files contain multiple pages, you can expand them to view and organize individual pages. This feature is handy if you only want to include particular pages from a multi-page file. You can even remove unwanted pages at this stage. Now, before moving to the final steps, you have an optional but useful decision to make regarding the file size and quality of your new PDF. There's an Options button in the Combine Files window. Clicking this allows you to choose either a smaller file size, which is ideal if you're planning to share your PDF via email or view it online. However, if your intention is to print the document, you might prefer a larger file size for better print quality. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement and quality settings, direct your attention to the Combine button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the window. Clicking Combine will initiate the process of merging your selected files into one cohesive document. Acrobat will handle the processing, and shortly after, your newly merged PDF will open automatically. The final task is to save this masterpiece. To do this, navigate to the File menu and select Save As. Ensure you choose a memorable location on your computer and give your document a descriptive file name. And there you have it, a neatly combined PDF file ready for any intended use. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.